Hey guys, what's up? Today I got a new haircut and we are I'm going to be showing you all of my Lego sets. So this first one I made with my my mom's ex-boyfriend / ex-husband. They were supposed to get married, but he died, sadly. I don't want to get too into that because it's kind of sad, so yeah. So I made this with him a few days before he died. Like a few weeks, like 3 or 4 weeks before he died. And, yeah, I think it's pretty cool because the doors actually open. Here, let me... Oh, well, that was not really good. Okay. The door is actually open, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, please don't make fun of people, like, who have lost people on the way. It's not really kind, so, yeah. And I really won't... Okay, so... Wait, no. Okay, so this is very special to me. And, yeah, so... And it also has working wheels, so that's pretty cool. My cat just came in here. Okay, so yeah, it's very breakable. It's pretty easy to break. And actually, the trunk opens, so you can put stuff in there. Okay, so that's Lego set number 1. I don't know what's going on. Okay. So I also have this extra light. Blind the viewers. Okay, so the next one is my overall favorite one, which is this cafe. So like the video if you have any one of these Lego sets. So yeah, it has this little robot thing, and it also comes with a car, one of these, this, you can put stuff on it, and then it comes with the car, then it comes with this thing. Sorry, the lighting is very bad in here. I just turned off the light, so it looks kind of cool. So this one is my favorite because, like, it's pretty cool. Why does my cat keep scaring me? Okay, so, like, the door can actually open. You could, like, do a lot of stuff with it. So, yeah. Put that over side. Stop it. My cat is really stupid. Okay, so now we blind the viewers. Oh. Okay, so the next one is one where is it? Hold on. This one I got for Easter. It's an Elsa Lego set. Comes with a garden, one of these fruit baskets, and it comes with a boat. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so you could, like, put apples, fruits, and stuff like that in here. So yeah, that's the Elsa and Anna kit that I have. Okay, this one is my, well, this one's actually pretty cool. It came with this and this. By the way, this is a different character. It doesn't really come with this one. It doesn't come with this. I just put 2 different characters together. And it comes with this skateboard that you can actually have it ride. See? It's pretty cool. And then it has a ramp. So yeah, like that. So this one's really cool. And my brother's channel, Funtime Freddy Boy 4, you might know him His channel will be in the link in the description. So yeah. This last one, I just got this one today, so it's pretty cool. And I got this one, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, so that's really it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And yeah, so thank y'all for watching so much. I really appreciate it. So thank you for everything you do. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you really liked it. Bye!